So in order for a garden to be successful, there are certain concepts that we want to master. And once you master these concepts, then your garden can be easy, fun, and productive. So the concept I would like to talk about today is eliminating ants from your garden. So ants love to live in the soft, sandy loam soil of the garden. And we get biting ants in our beds, and this will just not do. Not only do they bite us, but they can take the aphids off the plants and down into their hills and winter them over and then put them back into the garden the following season. So I don't like that either. I like to have a garden that's free of ants. So here are my 4 favorite ways to eliminate the ants from my garden safely and naturally. So number 1 is you can put a line of bone meal, powdered charcoal, or pepper powder along the ants' path or on their hill, because the ants, they're not going to cross this line. And if it gets wet or diluted, you just need to reapply. Number 2 is pouring boiling salt water on the anthill. So you just want to spread out the anthill and then pour the boiling salt water on it. That's going to slow them down quite a bit. Number 3 is diatomaceous earth. So you want to spread a line of diatomaceous earth around the anthill. And the diatomaceous earth, it's ground up fossilized seashells from an ancient critter called a diatom. And diatomaceous earth, it's going to work its way up into the ant, and it will puncture it, and then it will dehydrate and die. And number 4 is pyrethrins. So pyrethrins are an extract from the chrysanthemum flower, and I prefer the dust form for the ants. So I will sprinkle it on a disturbed anthill about 3 times in a week, and that pretty much takes care of the anthill. So if you'd like to learn other ways to control garden pests, you can get into our Homemade Organic Pest and Control ebook. You get the ebook for free when you sponsor this show. We give it away along with the Gardener's Guide to Perfect Soil and the Preserving Fruits and Vegetables Guide. And this is for anyone who sponsors this show at the $8.50 level. So the money that we raise from the sponsorship goes to keep the show free to you and everyone around the world. And I feel that everyone should have access to learning how to grow food for themselves and their families. And by sponsoring the show, you are a part of keeping this education free and feeding people around the world. So if you'd like to learn more about high-performance gardens and the garden concepts that lead to the success, just go to our website, thelivingfarm.org, and there you can find more articles, videos, and e-courses that can help you on your way to success. If you want to learn how to grow $2,500 worth of organic produce with only a 15-minute-a-day commitment, sign up for the High Performance Garden Show. There are hundreds of episodes chock full of my best gardening secrets that I have learned over the last 3 decades. Go to thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show. It's free and online. Also, if you want to join the premier online community of people who grow food, medicine, and build resilient communities, join us today at thegrownetwork.com. Thanks so much for watching. May your garden be easy, fun, productive, and always organic.